And it's a song called Skibbereen, Dear Old Skibbereen. I'd like to sing it for you now. Oh, Father dear, I oft times hear you speak of exile. Those lofty scenes and valleys green, those mountains rude and wild. You say it is a lovely land wherein a prince might dwell. Then why did you abandon it? The reason to me tell. Ah, son, I loved my native land with such energy and pride. But the blight came over all our crops, our sheep and cattle died. The rent and taxes were too high, I could not them redeem. And that's another reason I left old Skibbereen. Your mother too, God rest her soul, fell on that snowy ground. She'd fainted with the anguish from the desolation round. I thought she'd rise, but she passed away from life's immortal dream. And I buried her near a river bank, not far from Skibbereen. But it's well that I remember too that year of 48, when us Irish boys we did arise to strike against their state. They hunted me both day and night. I was a traitor to some old queen. And that's another reason I left old Skibbereen. Sure, you were only 2 years old, and feeble was your frame. I could not leave you with my friends. Sure, you bore our ancient name. I wrapped you in my coat more in the dead of night unseen, and I heaved a sigh as I said goodbye to dear old Skibbereen. Ah, Father dear, sure the day will come when for vengeance we will call. When us Irishmen, both stout and stern, will rally one and all. I'll be the man to lead the band beneath that flag of green. It's loud and it's high that I'll raise the cry, revenge for Skibbereen.